Hosting Horizons has dropped another huge feature, and it's integrated AI. Now, you won't believe this, but now you can create AI chatbots, text-to-image generators, image-to-text generators, and all those cool things just with a click of a button and no third-party integrations needed, meaning no connecting ChatGPT, no connecting Gemini, or anything like that. So let's jump into it, and I'll show you exactly how it works. So let's start off by creating the AI chatbot inside of Hostinger Horizons. All I have to do is just prompt it directly. I'm gonna ask Hostinger Horizons to create a simple AI chatbot for my bakery business. Now, what's it going to be doing next? We'll see right now. It's gonna start thinking and it's gonna start integrating that AI backend feature. Now, just like I mentioned before, there's a lot of potential here. I could even have people upload their own photos and actually turn into pastries. All right, we can see that it's actually enabling the AI integration. And what this means is that I don't have to search for any other AI chatbots online or any third-party integrations. It's gonna start doing the work for me with no absolute hassle. So it's gonna start working on that AI chatbot in just a matter of a few minutes. We're gonna have our first option ready and we won't need any other third-party integration. Just like I mentioned, no ChatGPT, no Gemini, no Claude or anything like that, no API keys. Everything is already directly integrated inside of Hostinger Horizons. So it's super simple to use and it doesn't require any extra work. All right, we can see that Hostinger Horizons is done making the AI chatbot, and the best part, it also made a small homepage for my bakery. I didn't even ask for this, but it actually made it look really, really nice. As you can see, it says freshly baked goodness made with love. So if I have any special orders that I want to do for my own clients, I can easily do that. And if they have any questions regarding my products or regarding the bakery that I'm running, they can easily just click on the button, chat with us. Now, in this area right here, we can see that the AI chat is already included. All I have to do is type my first message and we'll start chatting with the AI bot. So I'm gonna ask it to list out the name of some different pastries that are available in the store. And we can see that it's already doing its work. It also mentioned that the availability of each pastry can vary by day. Now we can see that it also mentioned things like croissants, almond croissants, right? We have eclairs, we have puffy pastry turnovers, right? Cannoli, cream puffs, all of that great stuff. Next up, another simple thing I can do is just ask it to recommend something for me depending on my own tastes. So a really simple way to do that would be, let's say I want something sour but also sweet. So I'm gonna ask the AI chatbot to recommend something for me. And we can see that it's already listing out some really nice options like a lemon tart, a raspberry lemon scone, a strawberry rhubarb pastry, or a key lime bar. So this is our own AI chatbot made specifically for my bakery, for my business. It's really simple and it really gets the job done. Now we can move on to another example, which is image generation. Okay, since Hostinger Horizons integrated AI backend can not only work with just text, it can also work with images. So now let's take a look at how image generation works with the AI integrated backend. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create an image generator that will generate background photos for my local sports team. So I can see that it's already enabled that AI integration inside directly. Now let's just wait to see the magic happen. All right, we can see that Hostinger Horizons is done creating the web app and we already have the homepage ready, which allows us to generate those professional sports backgrounds and of course the generator itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just write a quick little description for the generator and it's going to generate that photo for me. So let's do that right now. All right, we can see that the image is already generated and it's a beautiful sunset with a stadium and a huge crowd in the back, letting my team know that they're the best and they're always being supported. All right, we have created our wonderful tools, an AI chatbot for a bakery, and an image generator for a sports team. Now, there are a lot of cool things that we can generate with Hostinger Horizons AI integrated backend. Some of these could even be a recipe suggester, right? It could be a product description generator. It could be a horoscope generator if we wanted it to be. Of course, the image-based ones, we have a lot of different variants available as well. So you could even make something like a product mockup, right? An interior design visualizer. You could even create create a special cartoon illustration option as well. So a lot of different tools are also available with the integrated AI backend. Just like I mentioned before, this does not require any third-party integrations. No ChatGPT, no Gemini, or anything else. No APIs required. It's already added inside of Hostinger Horizons, so you don't have to connect other apps and go through 100 different billing options. So that's been the Hostinger Horizons integrated AI backend. Make sure to check it out and use it. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it.